Okay, so we're going to continue with our classwork for day 5, and this problem is going to help you out with page 1 for that assignment. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve equations now that have variables and numbers on both sides of the equal sign. So for example, this equation has a 4x on this side on the left, but it has a 2x also on the right. It has a plus 2 that is just a number on the left, and it has a plus 10 that is just a number on the right. So, what we try to do when we're solving equations always is isolate the variable. That means try to get the variable by itself. Okay? So, I'm going to get rid of the variable on one side of the equal sign first so I can have the variable by itself on the other side. So I'm going to get rid of this positive 2x that I have on the left. To get rid of the positive 2x, I'm going to subtract 2x's on both sides of the equal sign. Okay? These 2x's cancel out, and I end up with 4x combined with this negative 2x on the left. So I'm going to stand on positive 4, move 2 steps to the left, and I end with positive 2x. Okay? Nothing happened with this plus 2, so I'll just bring that down. And nothing happened with the 10, so I'll just bring that down. If you notice, my equation is now 2x plus 2 equals 10. That's my equation. So I can continue solving that the way we were solving equations previous assignment that was last week. Okay, so I'm still going to try to isolate my variable. So I'm going to get rid of this 2 that is adding. So I'm going to subtract 2's on both sides. These 2's cancel out. And now on the left, I have 2x. There's nothing else on the left. And on the right, I have 10 combined with negative 2. So I'm going to stand on positive 10. 2 steps to the left, that is positive 8. Okay? So our equation now is 2x equals 8. This 2 is multiplying the x. This is the last step. Okay, I look at the number that is multiplying the x. This number here is multiplying the x. So to get rid of it, I have to do the opposite, that is divide. Okay, I always do the opposite operation to get rid of whatever I want. So in this case, I'm going to divide by that 2. And if I divide it on one side, I have to divide on the other side as well. These 2's cancel out, and I end up with x by itself on the left, and on the right, 8 divided by 2 is just 4. I isolated the variable. On the right, all I have is numbers. So there, I finished solving my equation. And the solution to that equation is just x equals 4.